Alright, what up YouTube? We out here getting ready, hit the road to go ahead to this car show up in Fredericksburg. Got my boys out here. Getting into the nice quick rinse before we head off down the road. Look at this. I know y'all see it. Just wanted to show. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of the
Referred to as its street name, Purple Drank, Dirty Sprite, Scissor, or Lean, this medicinal mixture blowing up in videos posted online isn't curing a cough. Instead, young people are using it to get high.
Boat, know the tally do not float. 1Ks, any balls, and I bet they gon' go. Set a shop, and I open up the stove. Come and shop with a nigga, know I got.
Alright, so we made it. Nice and safe. It's a lovely mama. Roll it in. Rest of the team already got here though. So I have no idea where I'll go. Yeah, always.
Referred to as its street name, Purple Drank, Dirty Sprite, Scissor, or Lean, this medicinal mixture blowing up in videos posted online isn't curing a cough. Instead, young people are using it to get high.
Boat, know the tally do not float. 1Ks, any balls, and I bet they gon' go. Set a shop, and I open up the stove. Come and shop with a nigga, know I got you for the low. Real trap niggas know. Bitch, I'm at the bank, that's my favorite stove. And I want the quality, my favorite pole. Got your bitch on the speed dial, that's my favorite hoe. She gon' get my nigga.
Just set up there, John Morant looking.
Right here we have my boy Corey's car, my homeboy Luke. Kenny's car is out there in the back. But so far, this is what this show looks like. I'm gonna do my best to go ahead and get as many videos as possible. Look at these foods. Also, my lovely.
We don't box, we send shots for the cop. For the 12, he gon' tell. I can serve you a brick and a bill. She be touching on my dick like it's some braille. You Stevie Wonder, boy, you act like you can't tell. Out for the rights and the back like some mail. And I'm all the paw slower than a snail. When Tony got locked, my nigga, he made bail. We talking money shit, and we talking well. I put all on your bitch, and she do not tell. I just vacuum zip the shit, it do not smell. And I serve that shit, I send it through the mail. I just vacuum zip the shit, it do not smell. And I serve that shit, I send it through the mail. Serve a boat, know the tide, it do not float. 1Ks, any balls, and I bet they gon' go. Set a shop, and I open up the stove. Come and shop with a nigga, know I got you for the low.
Hey, bitch, you know I'm in here with the gang. And it ain't gon' change, it ain't gon' change, it ain't gon' change, it ain't gon' change. Every day I'm out here looking for a stain. Better watch your chain, matter of fact, your name, I run it up and don't complain. All this damn finesse weighing on my brain. My head hurt, I'm fucking up, but that oh God, I feel the same. All you niggas fucking up, swear to God, we not the same. I pull up in Uber trucks with bitch, the hottest in LA. Niggas forever lag, catch up. Whoa, them niggas that's in the back, that sucks. Shorty say she want me back, that sucks. Why? I can't love a couple bitch, I'm married to these brothers.
Shut up, boat, know the tide, it do not float. 1Ks, any balls, and I bet they gon' go. Set a shop, and I open up the stove. Come and shop with a nigga, know I got you for the low. Real trap niggas know. Bitch, I'm at the bank, that's my favorite stove. And I want the quality, my favorite pole. Got your bitch on the speed dial, that's my favorite hoe.
Look, listen, you don't want no drama. Pull them choppers out, I go from Phoenix to Osama. Laughing at the nigga, fucking on his baby mama. Clapping at you niggas, rapping not just my persona. He wants static, he get shot, not no Pikachu. Got them glizzies when we pop up, I'm like peekaboo. Walk up in a trap.
Yeah.
Stand up, let me see. They got a swallow, hold
You
on.
can smell the dough cooking. Niggas jealous when they see me cut they hole looking. Can't make your move on them, my niggas swear we soul cooking. And all that shit you talking, that gon' get your soul took it. Niggas talking this and that, but they ain't on a thing. This ain't liquor, baby girl, I'm on promethazine.
Boat, know the tie they do not float. 1K's, any balls, and I bet they gon' go. Set a shop, and I open up the stove. Come and shop with a nigga, know I got you for the low.
Alright, so the car show was a success. Just got done eating red lobsters with Boo. Oh, hold on. Just got done eating red lobsters with the bae. We about to go home. Try to beat this storm. I was about to say we was gonna try to beat this storm before I already got here, but it's already raining, so it's already here. Let me clean up my lens. There we go. Oh, maybe it's just a screen protector. Alright, but if I didn't say it already, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to.